Have our transformer mounted to an ideal location close to power. We've installed our conduit and we've oversized it just a little bit so it can go undergrade a little and stick up in the transformer a little bit so it doesn't fall out. So it's stable. Now we put in our timer, astrological timer, Intermatic, DT200L model. Now, dielectric grease. This keeps all the moisture out of our holes. Okay. So what you do is you, just a little bit, you don't have to completely gush it in there. You're just trying to cover the hole. Because we're not using this one at all. We are using this one, but same thing. I want my socket to go in there and be protected. We don't stop there. We go here, dielectric grease. Just a little swipe, dab will do you. We don't stop there. We cut off one we're not going to use, and we're going to lubricate and protect the one we're going into. We got consistent protection every step of the way. So now you disrupt that fat side, skinny side, booyah, right? Now we go in here. Easy. Okay. Nice and flush. And actually we can stop here. We're going to go to a shorter wire here. Rock hammers with you at all times, just as in the police. Now you know how much we need. Okay, so you get it started there. Grab, grab. Okay, it's 14, we're going 12. Clean strip. So when you're wiring, you want to make sure you have the right wires in hand. Twist, get your copper barrel, put that over the top. Use your blue multi-tool here. It's got a nice little crimping device at the bottom, and push it as hard as you can down because you want it all to go down, right? So 2 wires can come out one side. Snap it. Alright, just push it down as best you can.
Break.
Yeah. So I got my connection snug, pointing down. Now I'm coming to put these guys to bed and be out of the way from planting, but I'm close to the concrete because nobody plants really close to concrete. Get this bundle in a sod stick. Right? So I'm snug like a bug in a rug. Now I'm leading back with my digging. And as I dig, I can cover that back, and so on. Put all your packaging wrapping back down in the box. Coming in hot. Driver goes through the hole perfectly. Screw that in, sir.
Does it need Teflon or not? No Teflon tape, none of that?
No, this isn't water plumbing.
Okay.
Okay. Booyah. You're almost ready to roll. Now, beauty of these steaks is we can pound this steak with lots of force to get it where we want.
Yeah.
Then we can put the fixture on after. They've got this killer system where this dives in. Right? And it has a slit. So that slit goes down. Boom. You're in business. So there's my center. Okay, so now I'm coming over to 12. Booyah.
That's about right there.
About right. Moving the flag. I'm going 13.
Okay.
I'm going 13. Nice and straight. I'm going sideways because this will chip. So, now, when we finish, we want our fixtures to be just above mulch. So this cap, I want my mulch to be right about there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So I got a little bit more. Boom. Good. So we're set. Let's make a connection. We have a slight exit. Thin wire from the fixture goes there. Seat it down. Okay? You want this angle to be perfectly facing. So your high side is out, viewing angle. Your low side is, what do you call that? The intended target. Double check, you can use a laser to see if you're pointing up. Now, these garden lights have a Allen wrench system right here. So we have our Allen wrench set, and it's marked with which one garden light size is. So to get it, you want to snug these down. Just double check snugness. Don't have to be overly tight, but that way it won't go this way or that way on us.
And I see the cap is loose enough where you could play with that twist.
You can. And they make screws to lock these in as well. But traditionally we don't mess with the ground screws. Okay, we're set. We got a decent angle, so it's even to our subject. We put our flag in our bag, and now we move on to the next light. But as we come back to do our final ground bearing for wire, I'm going to work my way at an angle back to the house, right? This is where my wire's going when I'm burying, right?
Yes.
So, we'll have this here. And get you a sod staple.
You don't need to nail those little caps at this point now.
No. And now,